In 1985, Richard Jordan became president of Mercury. To improve efficiency and become more responsive to the needs of customers, Jordan consolidated the four divisions of the Marine Power Group: Mercury, MerCruiser, Mariner, and Quicksilver. Also during the mid-'80s, the idea of consolidating engine manufacturers and boat builders came about. The concept was called BMT, Boat Motor Trailer, wherein Mercury, not the dealers, would package the three elements and sell them to the customer. By 1986, Jack Reichert and Richard Jordan worked out a deal to buy Bayliner and Sea Ray for $775 million. A recession hit the nation in 1989, which sent Mercury Marine into an economic tailspin. At the end of that year, David Jones, a Ph.D. in mechanical engineering and who began his career as a product manager at MerCruiser, was given the dubious task of turning the company's fortune around. The attempt to make boat companies work in concert with the outboard business wasn't working, and in 1990, Mercury powerboats became Brunswick fishing boats. It was also in 1990 that Fred Kiekefer rejoined the company his father had started when Kiekefer Aeromarine Motors merged with Mercury Performance Products. With his return, the High Performance Division introduced the first mass-produced, warranted, supercharged marine engine, the MerCruiser 525 SC. By 1996, Mercury set 6 APBA outboard bass boat speed records to reclaim its crown, and in the year 2000, at the 24 Hours of Rouen, Mercury Racing's Optimax 200 earned its XS Advanced Performance designation, winning the endurance powerboat race in France. The dominance continues today. In early April of 2001, Mercury Racing and MerCruiser engines powered 13 of the 19 boats recognized by Powerboat magazine for their performance excellence. And upon their return to Rouen, France in 2001, Mercury again swept the competition, finishing 49 laps ahead of the next closest competitor in the 38th annual endurance race. As a company, in 1992, Mercury divided into 5 business units: Outboards, MerCruiser, International, Quicksilver, and High Performance. By 93, a new contract with Tracker Marine was signed, and 2 years later, building on the relationship begun in 1972 with Walt Disney World, Mercury and Disney entered into a formal alliance, making Mercury the official marine power of Walt Disney World. And a commitment to the workforce of Mercury was demonstrated with the building of the Mercury Marine Family Medical Center as part of a 3-point health, wellness, and prevention program. 1995 was a breakthrough year on the technical side as well, with Mercury's introduction of a line of engines known as DFI, or direct fuel injection, which increased the engine's efficiency while reducing its exhaust emissions.